it's your girl Luna Marie, and I'm back with another video. Finally, doing a review on this Temu wig that I dyed. No bars. So it did come out alright. I mean, I'm not a professional, but I did what I had to do, and it came out alright for the most part. Thank ya. Clock it. So I started off putting the wig up on my little acorn ass head. And I did struggle with the lace a little bit because again, I got a little teeny tiny peanut brittle head and the lace was just too big. Like there was nothing I could do with the head I was given. So I did do my best. And I'm just brushing it back, getting all the hair out the way so I could lay it down properly. Um, yeah, I did plan on wearing this last year for my birthday, but unfortunately, I was in the hospital, so your girl couldn't wear it. And I was gonna do a redo this year for my birthday. It was back in March, Aries, but I just felt like the vibe wasn't the same. Like I was going for a different aesthetic this year, so I was like, it's the wig just been sitting in my closet, so I might as well do a little review on it because that's what I was gonna do anyway, right? So the wig came from Temu. It does not have a link to it because it's no longer available. Can you guess why? Because this lace is so trash. I'm not even gonna hold you. The lace was trash, but I knew what I was doing partially. So I was able to make it work still. But if you're a beginner wig wearer, I would not try to experiment with the lace, okay? Get the most transparent, translucent, see through lace you can find because it's gonna make your life a whole lot easier, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Now, I should have sprayed my lace beforehand, but I was really trying to see if it was going to look right in the first place. Alright, now I'm finna go in with the Ebin Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. I almost slipped up. I got the Supreme hold, but I'm finna start getting the Sport hold because I don't wear glue like that for real. And I don't have time for my wig to be slipping off my head in this hot summer heat. Child, I'm in Texas. Nobody got time for that. And right now, I'm finna cut some layers in this wig. Cut it. Cut it. Ooh, cut it. Ooh, cut it. Hey, cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Your wig is way too straight. You need to cut it. That wig is way too straight. You need to cut it. Hey. My bad, y'all. Just something just be taking over me. And I don't know what's wrong with me. But I need to get checked. But yeah, if you coming over here for a tutorial on how to cut layers, I can't help you with that. I'm not a hairdresser. I did not go to school for cosmetology. I just like doing my hair. So if you trying to get tips and tricks from me on that, baby, I can't help you. But what I am gonna do is go ahead and put this wax stick on my hair and use the straightening comb, and I'm gonna straighten out this head. I can give you tips on that. So I already parted my hair to the side off camera, and I just continue going through with the hot comb, making sure it is as flat as possible because truth be told, I'm tired of y'all coming out the house with these big ass, thick ass wigs high up in the sky. You are not George Washington, okay? I'm gonna need y'all to go back and flatten out them wigs as much as you can. before y'all come out the house because I'm tired of it. Now, the way I'm putting up these rollers in my head is a fool, but I couldn't find my other rollers. So I had to do what I had to do with the resources that I had. Okay. So I'm just going through putting some rollers in my head after I flat iron it so I can keep the curl. Eventually, I did run out of rollers and I just decided to use clips, which you'll see. But I did the best I could. I'm gonna have to find my other rollers so I can curl my hair the right way next time. But it still came out cute. Okay, so at this point, I was starting to get a little tired of curling my hair because I had been doing this all day. Your girl had to be a mother, so I had to keep stopping and doing my hair. Normally, I curl my hair before I put it on my head, so I don't know why I didn't do it this time. I guess I just wanted to be different, but I really should have curled the hair before I put it on my head. And please don't mind my daughter in the background. I don't know why she whispered. I don't know what she whispering for. Who, child, y'all have no idea how happy I was when I finally got done curling my hair. I did wait a couple minutes for the curls to cool down before I took them down. And then I went through with a brush. Y'all, it came out better than I expected. I'm so happy because I was nervous. This is my first time doing like a bright color, so I didn't know how it's gonna look on my skin tone, but I picked the right shade. Everything about it is perfect. And I want to do more colors. Let me know what color y'all think I should do next because I was thinking maybe a yellow or a teal, but let me know what y'all think I should do in the comments. Thank y'all so much for joining me, for watching this video. Make sure y'all subscribe on my YouTube. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm sorry, follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok. Love y'all so much. Peace. Bye.